Today I will show you how you can connect Vercel to Supabase. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how you can link your Vercel projects to your Supabase workspace, so your environment variables stay synced and deployments run smoothly. So firstly, we want to open Vercel and we want to look for integrations on the left side. And from here you want to browse Marketplace and we are going to search for Supabase. So Supabase, and then you just want to select it. And you want to click on install. Then you will get two options. You can create a new Supabase account, or you can link existing Supabase account if you already have Supabase account. So since I have already account on Supabase, I will link the existing one and then I will hit continue. And from here you want to choose for which projects the integration will have access to. So you can either choose specific projects or you can select all projects. And then you just want to click on connect account. From here you want to choose your organization which you want to install. So this is my Supabase. I will choose it and then install integration. Now you want to choose your first project connection. So let's say I will choose this checkmark test, and then you can also choose your project on Vercel. Then you will connect project, or you can also skip this step if you want. And now we should have Vercel connected to Supabase. So it's showing you configure. And from here, if you open the project, you can see it in your Supabase that you have this Vercel integration. And that's pretty much it. So this is how you can connect Vercel to Supabase. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.